Buddhist. Honestly. Islam. Buddhist.
Christianity. I know it's hard to say. I'll keep going. Christianity. Look at the phonetics for that one. Majority. Previously. Good. Regard. Respect.
Suffering. Honestly.
Majority.
Suffering.
Around the world, there are many different cultures, beliefs, and religions. People follow many religions. These include Islam, Buddhism, Christianity, and Hinduism. The majority of people in Cambodia are Buddhists. Buddhism came to Cambodia many hundreds of years ago during the time of Angkor. But why and in what manner did Buddhism begin? Well, we all want to be happy. Most people think that material things like money, houses, and cars bring only pleasure and make us happy. But do they? We find things attractive and try to obtain them. When we have them, we still want more because we are greedy. We can't obtain the things we are fond of. We feel angry. If we see others with more than we have, we feel jealous. So we neither feel happy nor do we make others happy. Instead, when we feel angry or jealous, we feel like fighting and killing other people. The Buddha regarded this as our basic problem. Although we want to be happy through our own behavior, we suffer. 25 centuries ago in northern India, he decided to examine this problem, and after years of searching and trying various methods, he discovered an answer to it. That's how he became a Buddha. Brahma asked him to teach people what he knew about the Dharma and show them how to be happy. Previously, Buddha thought the way is too difficult for anyone to understand, but Brahma told the Buddha that there were gods and men in heaven on earth who were ready to listen and understand. So Buddha began to turn the wheel of Dharma. He talked about suffering, focused on the causes of suffering, and explained how we can deliver ourselves from suffering. But if we want to follow that path, we must work hard, learn to respect all living things, live our lives honestly, and look within.
ลบเลย